Hey all my crafty friends, back with another install of hashtag Crafty Christmas in July 2023. Wah! Say that 5 times really fast. I am going to introduce you to all of the goodies and then we'll get started. So Sweet Pea Papers, Terry Lee and myself are sponsoring this collaboration. We have, with all of us, there's 16 people doing beautiful Christmas stuff. So Sweet Pea Papers doing a giveaway. Go over to her website, Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, sorry, not website. Go over there and get her information on how to do all of that. I have a little special going on at my store right now. If you go in and spend $15 or more on product, you will get a free yard of lace. In my first video, all of this is under a playlist. So if you go to the hashtag Crafty Christmas in July 2023, you go to my first video in that playlist and you'll see the lace. I think I've shown it a couple other times. Oh, here's a bit. There's the ivory, the cream, and the pink. Get it this way. It's really pretty. Really pretty. Okay, then there are also a lot of our other collaborators. They have Etsy shops. Please go and check out their Etsy shops and be kind and wonderful and things like that. Check out everybody's channel and all that stuff. So I'm also doing a raffle for the collaborators, okay? So if you go to my shop and spend any amount of money, it doesn't matter if it's $5 or $50, you spend any amount of money and in the message you say, hey, I'm doing, you know, Terry sent me, or Jovi, or, you know, I mean, we got Rhoda, we got all kinds of beautiful ladies doing stuff. If you say they sent you, then they get put into a raffle. I have 2 prizes, but one of them is just because they're participating, and then the other one is they're going to, whoever gets the most people saying they sent them, they're going to win a prize. So, yeah, so do that, you know, if you want to buy something. I'm not very good at being a commercial, so other than that, that's it. So let's get started, guys, okay? Bye! Hey everybody, this is Lisa, Paper Lace and Bling. Welcome back to my channel. This is clean up on all 5, please. So I'm in the middle of doing the hashtag Christmas in July, Crafty Christmas in July 2023, and I'm getting ready to work on my journal, and I have all of these things that I've cut out, and I can't keep digging through, so I want to organize it. Have any of you ever thought about doing this? I put little chipboard pieces, slid them through the slots, and so I can stand up all of my ephemera. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. I want to get one more piece. So I put words and stuff down here, but I think I'm going to put all my words in this one with all my little tiny things. So all the little tiny cut aparts are going to go in there. My little set of gloves. I think this is off of December to Remember. Aren't those adorable? Yes. Anyway. Okay, so then I figured I could leave my larger pieces in here, but I've got so much that I have fussy cut out. So I just need to come up with something a little different. So first I need, let's see, another piece of chipboard. Oh, that is just a little too, let's see, that is a little too thick. Oh, that was that Well, I'm just going to cut it down a little bit. This was my cover on my journal. Okay, this is the part I didn't use. So I want to leave myself 2 holes there. And I'm going to put the shorter stuff that I have in this one in the front. So actually, let's move this here and find another one. Where do I have? No, those 2 are larger pieces. I won't use those. Don't want to cut those down. And of course I don't have anything. Let's see. There, that works. Okay, so I am going to move. I've got my little short things in the front. And then I'm going to take and put these things here. No, that won't work. It doesn't come up high enough. It's too low. Oh, bummer. Bummer. Well, let me just go get a piece. Just talk amongst yourselves. I think that's what Gail says. Ah, this one should work. So I'm going to slide this right in here. And I'm not cutting them short because I can still use them as pieces, and so I want them to stay as long as they are. You know what I'm saying? Alright, I have some little teeny pieces down here, and I'm going to put those over here. So, then let's move these pieces here. And then I'm going to try and stand up. I want to put all the Santa Clauses together. This is a little bell. That's tiny. That's tiny. These are children, people. I mean, Santa Claus is people too, but I just think I put all the Santa Clauses together. Those are little. Santa Claus. People, people. Okay, and this can go right in there. Right in there. Yeah, so I'm just trying to get myself somewhat organized so that my decorating will go much quicker, because Christmas in July is like almost done. And I'm not. Christmas in July is almost done and I am not. Yes, that is understatement of the century here. Okay, there's a Santa Claus, girl, a boy, a Santa Claus. So many little pieces that stick out. You have to be careful you're not going to damage your cut-aparts. I mean, spend all that time cutting them apart. You certainly don't want to damage them. That's tiny. That's tiny. That'll work in there. Teeny tiny. See? Teeny tiny. I cut out all kinds of stuff, guys. Just cut them out. Some things take a little longer than others, and that's okay. I just take my time. If I get bored doing one, I just move along and come back to it. It's as easy as that, because I can do it all on my own schedule. Okay, those are some tickets. I'll put those away. These are all Santa Clauses. That's a small Santa Claus. I'm going to put him in there. That's Santa. Okay. Little girl, little angel, little angel, little angel. All little girls are little angels. Yes, I did giggle with that one. I know a few that, including me, my mama would have called me a lot of things nice. But most of the time she would not have called me an angel. No, it just would not have happened. Would not have happened. Okay. So you see how fast we did that, and I had a nice little group of people to sit there and look at me while I was doing it. Thank you very much. You guys just make time go so much faster. So I have some actual authentic vintage name tag, you know, to and from tags. I don't know that that one's vintage, but so this can go here, these can go there, and I think I'll put those there. This is right there. And I left these because I want to make a little booklet, and I'll make a little booklet out of that one. So that's why these are the way they are. So I'll put those back there. Okay, so I have all my little things in here and my words. And then this is a word here. Baby, it's cold outside. I love that one. So that was a really quick and easy one. Well, I wanted to show you how I came up with this, so I was very excited about that. I do have, put this up here so I don't get anything on it while I'm working on the other one. And I do have all of these that I have pulled out to use. So, what can I do? And I'm gonna put one of these, because these are parchment papers. I had this pattern last year. I have this pattern this year in the store. I'm sold out of the trees. And then I had two little rectangular doilies. So these two will be going into my signatures. I figured I have enough room. I can do that. But anyway, let's find something that we can organize. And you know what? If I get another piece of chipboard, see, was that, where was that one I tried and it was too short? Where was it? Where was it? Oh, what the heck did I do with it now? Here we go. So I think I'm going to move all this little stuff and I'm going to put another strip in there. And then maybe, I don't know about this big piece, I can just do this. Let's do this with it. That'll help fill up the space. No, that won't work. So those two big ones won't fit in here, but these certainly will. So that I have them all wrangled together. But yeah, I just love that I kind of, I don't think I've ever seen anybody do it, but I mean, I just wanted everybody to know, look how cool this is. And you know, if you've seen somebody else do it, then great. So, and then these will just have to sit out. But there we go. Now we are done with our cleanup and we can move on and we're organized better and I will be able to grab things that I want or at least go for the sizes that I want a lot easier. Thanks for joining me, guys. Till next time. Bye. Be kind to each other and I hope you make something you love.